Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to set a main Meteo station for PR calculation when there's more than one pyranometer in your solar project plant. You can also use this function if the PR value does not appear in your iSolarCloud web. Please note, only installer accounts can perform this setup. Step 1. Log in to your iSolarCloud web account and click Background Management. You'll then be directed to the Background Management interface. Step 2. Click Plant Management and search for your plant name. Step 3. Once you find your plant, click Manage Device. Step 4. On the top left, expand the device list and select the Meteo station you want to set as the main one. Step 5. Click Modify Device. Set the parameter shown below to No. Then click Save. And that's it. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Sungrow tips and solar troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.